Hey guys, it's CBSB Gaming Boss, and today I have Legos with me. And I just built all of this, and so, yes, it's very amazing. So, here we have a very neat pool, a diving board. The diving board, actually moves. And there's, a slide where you can go down. Moving forth, there is a little basketball thing, if I can get it, and it goes right here in the hoop. And also there's some characters, so I'll show you guys those in just a second. But here is the car. As you can see, it has a little back and a little front driving seat, and you guys might be surprised because there's somebody else in the video, and her name is Olivia.
Hi guys, it's me. So Sarah, she's been doing how many videos with me?
Well, a lot.
Yeah, because, like I said, YouTube channel is very, one video.
Yeah.
Please, guys, try to watch that one video and maybe give you as many subscribers as possible, because right now while Sarah's doing her little video, I'm going to be working on a new video for her channel.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah,
so,
if you hear any background noise, I'm sorry. It's just me. So, yeah, it is.
Yeah. So here's the restrooms, and well, maybe I should move this so you guys can see. The restrooms and the table place thingy. So yeah, there's that. We can open and close the little stalls. It's really neat. And there's also a little shower thing. And you can turn on the faucets, and there's a little thing, the head of the shower. There's also some flowers right there, and inside you can see a little toilet and stuff in there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And the construction stand, or whatever you call it, here's that. There is a little stand that you can move back and forth, and there is a hot dog, and that's choice 4, and some lemonade, that's choice 3, and some delicious looking ice cream, and that looks really good. So let's put that back right there, and let's keep on checking that out though. So there's little lights here, and if you turn it around, there is a cash register, some lemonade, and some juice boxes. So that's really neat. And I think I've shown you guys the pool, but I didn't show you the interview. So let's take a look at this right here. So here's the pool, and yeah, of course there's a basketball goal. There's a heart and a hot tub that actually has bubbles. There's a bubble right there or something. If you guys can't see, it's right there. There's glass to where the swimmers can swim and see through to the hot tub. There's a slide. I've already shown you guys the slide, but it goes like this. Whee! Like that. let's get a better view. So we would be like this. A beautiful view. Now I'm in the pool and I'm swimming. We forgot a little basketball. So let's get that over here and put it in the goal. So yeah, that's really neat. There's also a ladder that goes up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So we want to leave it down for right now. And the car, but here comes my favorite thing. I don't know if it's yours, but it's mine. Here is the horse stable, and that's really my favorite part. Has a little tree, bunnies, and 2 kittens in a wheelbarrow with hay underneath them. There is a bike, a dirt bike, number 6, and I'm guessing it's for her or her. So let's put that back and get the real bike. And that the wheels actually move and the spokes are like actually real, really cool. And so let's put that back. And yes, you've just met 2 characters. But now you get to meet the horses. So here's one of the horses. The saddle looks blue, but it's actually purple. And here's the girl horse. Beautiful girl, or maybe they both are girls. So here's one. You can take off the saddle and put it on. And everything. That's really cool. And finally, another girl or a boy. Now this saddle is blue. Yeah, the reins are sticking up a little. But it's a beautiful horse. And it has a beautiful mane and a beautiful tail. So let's put her back in her stall. I accidentally moved the dirt bike. And finally, for the baby, the cute little baby. So here's the cute little baby. Mama came by to make sure she was okay. Mama horse. And the baby's so cute. It has just a teeny, teeny, tiny little tail and a teeny, teeny, tiny little mane, but beautiful blue or black eyes. So yeah, that's beautiful. Let's put her back in her stall, and yeah. Okay, so here's the little boat. We don't need to interview that, but I'll get the characters ready. Okay, so here are all the Lego characters. There is, let's get the light over here. There's her, and her, and then these 2 are the main ones. And let's put them right there. And their names are Sarah and Olivia, and they both love horses. Isn't that right, Olivia?
Yeah, that is right. So,
Olivia, of course, she has red hair.
yeah, I do.
And I have blonde. So
Olivia has longer hair, and by the way, one day I'm going to reveal my face, but not yet. But I have short hair.
Yeah.
I'm a short hair person. So.
They're just beautiful. Let's just get a zoom in on these characters.
Yeah. So you guys can continue on your video. Yeah, and I'll be with you.
So these are the main characters.
Yes.
And I love their shirts. They're just beautiful shirts. And yeah, let's get started. So right now, all of the girls are just in their pool, just hanging out and having a great time. But, uh-oh, some people are missing. Who are they? They are Sarah and Olivia. They are all the way back here at their horse stable. So, here they are at the horse stable, getting ready the horses for a big day tomorrow. It's a riding champion, but the little horse always stays here. He always does in his little stable. But they have to get somebody to take good care of them, and now they're going out for a spin. Now that they got their riding helmets on, they are on their way to, well, do some stuff, you know? So there they go. Baby says hi all the way down there in the stable. Says bye, bye. But now we are basically focused on these horses. So now they're off, but they don't realize that they're heading into a deep dark forest. So they got out of the deep dark forest and came back home. So they undid. Like, they put their things away, and it started to become night. So they had to put everything up and get to bed. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for seeing all my Lego sets of Sarah and Olivia. And this is what we will be doing next. We will be doing the Elsa's castle, and when it's all done, it will start to look a little bit like this. It comes with Elsa and Anna. Of course it does. And it comes with a little torch, and of course it has Olaf. And it looks like there's a sandwich with Olaf. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, there's a little picnic, and he has a cookie. And there's Anna in her sleigh with a torch. And then the big old castle is where Elsa stays, right there. We will also be doing, we will be doing the elves. And it comes with these two people, and they look like elves, well, a lot of people. And then they find like that little dragon right there. It's really cute. And then it becomes into a big warrior dragon or something. And so, yeah, that's what we will be doing next. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for seeing mine and Olivia's Lego set. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.